You know that moment when a crash is not just a crash, but also a crime scene with sirens, cones, and everybody acting like they are in a courtroom drama? You need to treat it like both a safety problem and a paperwork problem, because one bad move can mess up a civil claim fast. First, you make sure people are safe and get medical help if needed, because injuries do not care about anyone's legal strategy. Then you call police, because when criminal acts may be involved, the report can become a big piece of the puzzle later. You are not trying to play detective with a cape on, because real-life clues are picky little goblins. You just give police the facts you personally know, like where it happened, who was there, what you saw, and what you heard, without guessing or decorating the story. If someone was drunk, racing, texting, or doing the classic bad decision buffet, the criminal side and the civil side can move at the same time. The police look for law-breaking, while the injury claim looks for money to cover harm, and those two paths can cross without becoming twins. That is why you want clean notes right away, because memory gets fuzzy faster than a phone battery at a theme park. Write down names, plate numbers, photos, times, and any officer names or badge numbers, so later you are not stuck saying, "I think it was sort of bluish." You also need to know that police reports are helpful, but they are not magic truth cubes. They can have mistakes, so your lawyer compares them with photos, medical records, witness statements, and video when available. Sometimes the police are still investigating while the injury claim is already moving, and that can feel like waiting for a pizza that forgot your address. That is normal, and you do not need to force a final answer on day one, because facts often show up in pieces. If charges are filed, your lawyer usually keeps the civil case separate but coordinated, so you do not step on the criminal case by accident. That means timing matters, because sharing too much, too soon, or with the wrong person can create extra trouble. You should be careful talking to the other side's insurance company, because their job is not to be your buddy from the school bus. They may ask questions that sound friendly but are really meant to shrink the claim, so short, accurate answers beat a long improv show. When law enforcement asks for records or statements, your lawyer can help decide what to provide and when. That protects your rights while still helping the investigation stay clear and useful. Sometimes witnesses get scared and disappear like they were in a superhero movie. Good lawyers and investigators move quickly to find them, because a calm witness today can become a forgotten voice next week. If a suspect was arrested, that does not automatically pay your bills, because criminal punishment and civil compensation are different jobs. The criminal case can support the injury claim, but you still need proof of damages like medical costs, lost wages, pain, and future care. You also want to be honest about weak spots, because hiding a bad detail usually backfires harder than a pancake on a hot sidewalk. If you made a mistake too, that does not end the case, but it does mean your lawyer needs the full story to handle it well. Community safety matters here too, because one reckless act can hurt a whole neighborhood, not just one person. That is why people care about these cases, since they are not only about money, but also about making sure dangerous behavior gets seen clearly. The best coordination is simple. Report the incident, preserve evidence, stay consistent, and let your lawyer handle the legal chess while you focus on healing. Want to learn more about our company? Check out our links in the description.